Okay, so a dice is rolled 4 times. What's the probability of showing a 2 on every roll? So what's the probability of getting a 2 on every roll? So we want to get a 2 and get a 2 and get a 2 and get a 2. Are you with me? We're saying, what's the chance that if you roll a die 4 times, you're going to get a 2 and get a 2 and get a 2 and get a 2 4 times in a row? So you tell me, guys, what's the chance if I roll a die, I'm going to get a 2 just once? You guys know what they're talking about on a die? A die.
Would it be 1 out of 6?
Right. The die has the 6 numbers, right? You with me on this? You know what they mean by a die, right?
Like that?
It's like, I don't know if I can draw it down here. No, that wasn't very good. So, so we're talking about the die. Sorry, I just want to draw this thing real quick. Here we go. Right, so it's a die. It's got 6 sides. It's got like a, you know, a single dot here and 2 dots here and 3 dots here, etc. Right? It's a 6-sided die. So if you've got this 6-sided die, it's got numbers 1. What's the probability you're going to get a 2? 1 out of 6. 1 out of 6 every time. And what am I going to do with those numbers? Add them or multiply them?
Multiply.
Because and means multiply. Exactly. So take your calculator and take 1 divided by 6 times 1 divided by 6, etc. And I'm getting, let me show you, I'm getting a weird answer which might be confusing for you. I'm getting 7.716049, blah, blah, blah. And then it's got this E minus 4 thing. I don't know if anybody else is getting that. I want to explain that E minus 4. That's going to come up a lot in this class on your calculator. So that E minus 4, does anybody already know? What does that E minus 4 mean?
You move the decimal place to the left 4 times.
Exactly. Move decimal left 4 times. Because the negative, the left, that's what the negative is. It's the left. If that was a positive or a regular 4, we would move the decimal to the right 4 times. So I got to take this decimal and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first jump moves you past the 7. The other 3 jumps bring in 0. So I get 0.77160049. Does that make sense so far? I moved the decimal 4 places to the left. The first jump moved past the 7. The other 3 jumps went beyond the edge. They brought in zeros. And now we're supposed to round to 4 places. Right? Yeah, 4 places. So boom, right there. There's the 4th place. That 7 tells me to round up. 0.0008. There's my answer to the question.
What if I didn't get the E or anything when I calculated it?
On your calculator, did you just get the straight decimal?
Yeah.
Great. Yeah, then you don't have to worry about it. Just round it to 4 places and you're good. Yeah, so some of you might not have got E. On my calculator, I got the E thing. It sort of depends on the calculator. Yeah, good questions I can answer on this one.